Hi guys, this is Spike from Uditerboard. Today I will show you the unboxing of Uditerboard W3 electric skateboard. Let's see what kind of the surprise it can bring to us. This is an amazing electric skateboard. It is designed with the diamond pattern on both sides. You can see here. And in the box, you can find the remote control. The battery box, this is optional. User manual. The fast charger, 42 voltage and 2 ampere. T-tool. And the parts of the handlebar. This also is optional. The deck is made of the bamboo plus fiberglass, and it is very soft and flexible. We have designed the swappable battery. There are 30 cells in this battery box. The capacity is 7.8 ampere and 328 watts. We have our own designed battery management system. The range can be reached to 35 to 40 kilometers or 20 to 25 miles. If you buy another battery, the range can be double. Now I will show you the battery swapping. It is very convenient for you to swap the battery. First, place here and take it out. These are aviation connectors. It is very tight for the connection. It has fixed the problem of the failure of the battery power. You don't need to worry about if it is disconnected. Here is the USB charge interface to provide the power of the cell phone and cameras. You can take the battery box out of the electric skateboard and charge here in this interface. Now I will show you how to install the battery. First, connect. Then take this connector to here on this position. Slide. And then take this out. You can see it is very tight. Now I will show you the function of the remote control. This remote control has an LCD display. You can see all the information here. It works with the high power motors and ESC. The top speed can be reached to 45 kilometers per hour. Press the power button here. You can see right now it's disconnected, and then press here. It's connected. There are 4 speed modes: low, medium, high, and pro. You can press this button to switch. Medium, 2 means medium. 3, high. 4, low. This board has a cruise function. If you set a certain speed on the power button, it will drive the speed you set. For example, if you set the speed is 11 miles per hour, then you press the power button. It will show you the CRU in this screen. You can see. If you want to stop, you can push this. It will automatically stop. These are components of the handlebar. It is very easy to assemble or disassemble. The handlebar is optional. You can choose if you want to buy. Let me show you how to install this handlebar. There are 3 different heights. You can adjust the heights. There are several functions of this handlebar. First, it is very friendly for the beginners from wrestling and getting enough skateboarding in the first stage. Second, make a vlog. You can use cell phone or camera to install in this position or here. Third, take photos. We provide a chocolate, and it is also optional. You can take photos in outdoors with your family or your friends. I will show you how to install this handlebar to the skateboard. So you can install it here, but before that, take this gray tape. And there are 4 screws here. And take these screws out and put this position and use these 4 screws and then install. Our handlebar is compatible with most of the skateboards. Wooded electric skateboard has the maximum functions and configurations, and also the most cost-effective electric skateboard on the market. And I hope you will like it.